So I wasn't going to get another project, but this one was almost free. So we picked up for $620 on eBay. It was a local find out of Meridian. It's a Mark II Triumph Spitfire. It's in pretty raw condition, although there's some rusted out panels. It doesn't seem to be rusted out like the little bug eye sprite behind me was when I got it. And of course the knob is all janky. So I have to pull up and get it in gear. Of course yesterday. We'll save that. We don't want to lose that. Probably won't get started on this for a few months, though. I think the first thing we may play with is just to see if the engine runs, and then go from there. And then it'll just be a work in progress over the next year or two. But it does have some suspension problems that we need to address, and some nice little dents that will be fun to take out. There's a little dent right here where the tire must have hit there. The frame's a little bit buckled right there. Oh, yeah. So we'll have to straighten out that section of the frame. There's some little buckling underneath the front frame rail there. And of course, the hinge point for the hood is broken off. We'll have to fix that. From anywhere from there, and I've convinced my wife it's her car, so she allows me now to build it. So that'll be fun. She's now called it Tina the Triumph. So we'll go for that.
What were your thoughts about the car?
Oh no, here we go again.